at Connected Britain 2019 with Simon Leather, Head of Product Development at TalkTalk Business. Simon, what do you see as the key opportunities for the UK resulting from the rollout of the high-capacity digital infrastructure?
So I think there are lots of great opportunities. So TalkTalk Business serves the wholesale market, and so it's a lot of our partners who are able to innovate, deliver new services, leverage a lot of new technologies to really bring those to customers. And what Fibre brings is higher speeds, more reliability to ensure that services can be more interesting and better for the different markets that our partners serve.
Is full fibre a realistic goal for the UK, and what are your predictions for the next 12 months?
So I think full fibre is a realistic goal for the UK. I think that there's going to be a combination of fibre and technologies such as 5G to complete the coverage map for the UK. But I think the challenges for our partners are likely to be that it won't happen certainly not in the next 12 months or even by 2025 because it just takes that long to build the fibre infrastructure required. So I think the challenges for a lot of our partners will be about managing this combination of moving from existing copper-based technologies to fibre. How does that work in practice? How can they do that in a seamless way, as well as also dealing with some of the other changes that are happening in the marketplace with Openreach starting to remove voice services, and so a lot of our partners having to migrate to voice over IP based services.
And can you pinpoint the biggest challenge at the moment regarding fibre to the premises?
The biggest challenge right now is coverage. Coverage is patchy and it's from lots of different providers. So that's where TalkTalk's role is really to stitch together this patchwork of different providers. And then in the actual build, it then comes down to the details of getting wayleaves, getting permissions to dig up the road, which obviously are disruptive to communities, but in the long term, bring them lots of great benefits.
And why is an event like Connected Britain important for TalkTalk Business to be involved with?
So TalkTalk Business is involved with Connected Britain, and we've been part of establishing the channel track because we think that the channel is, in terms of our partners, those are the people who are going to really innovate and use a lot of this new capabilities to deliver new services to customers. We all like to think as IT providers or as telecoms companies that that we'll be able to create new services that everyone is going to buy, but the reality is that we don't know everything, and part of TalkTalk Business's role is really enabling those channels to develop those interesting services that are really going to make a difference to customers.
Great, thank you for talking to us.
Thank you very much.